Welcome, everybody. My name's Greg Brown, and I work in Onshape's product management team. I'm really glad you've been able to join me here today in this session as part of our first ever Onshape Users Conference. Now, it's easy to be organized in Onshape, and the benefits are great. Remember, Onshape is built to be collaborative, so you should utilize these tips to make sure that others can easily understand what you're doing. Now, incidentally, these tips would all be perfectly applied to those who submitted entries to be judged in the Onshape design competition. I'll come back to that a bit later. But even if you work alone, these still apply and will make your life easier. So let's move over to Onshape now and take a bit of a look. Now, right from the start, in your My Onshape page, there are some things that can make your daily life easier. I love to use labels all the time. Multiple labels on my documents. Onshape lets you navigate between these documents and group them together simply by clicking on these labels. And let's talk about naming. One thing I love is that since Onshape is a modern application, it allows for proper naming of everything, long names, capitalization, spaces, even apostrophes. It's amazing how this really helps bring things to life. There's really no excuse to having long lists of features called things like extrude 1, extrude 2, extrude 3, and so on. So go on, take the extra few seconds to name things properly, and you will not regret it when you and others come back to edit.